Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 1-1. In the diagram alongside, T is the x-coordinate of x and the y-coordinate of 15, and it is a point in the Cartesian plane such that OT is 17 units. This is OT, the ray, which is R. And then P is the x-coordinate of -2 and the y-coordinate of A. This is P here, and then it lies on OT. K is a point on the positive x-axis. This is K here. And then TOK, this angle, is theta. Determine with the aid of the diagram the following, the value of x. So what we have here, if you check, we have our right angle triangle here. We can use the Pythagoras theorem. So remember that r squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. Pythagoras. And then let's substitute what we have. R, which is our ray, this one OT, is 17 squared is equal to x squared, that's what we're looking for, plus 15 squared. Then 17 squared minus 15 squared is equal to x squared. Then you can square root both sides, square root this side, square root this side. It becomes square root of 17 squared minus 15 squared is equal to x. Square root of 17 squared minus 15 squared can be positive or negative 8. So now is it going to be negative 8 or positive 8? The ray is in quadrant 2. Remember that in quadrant 1, the x-coordinate is positive, the y-coordinate is positive. In quadrant 2, the x-coordinate is negative, the y-coordinate is positive. In quadrant 3, the x-coordinate is negative, the y-coordinate is negative. And then in quadrant 4, the x-coordinate is positive and the y-coordinate is negative. So we're looking for x here in quadrant 2. So it means, therefore, x is equal to negative 8.